Uh-oh. What happened to them? Hmm? You're dancing in midair? Dancing! Dancing! What are you doing? Huh? What's Addie doing? That's the question.
Oh, what's that?
Uh-oh, where'd it go? Who's that?
Addie has a pencil.
Oh, Addie has a pencil? Did you put a pencil in Addie's little thing? Huh? I don't think Addie did. Thought maybe she wanted to draw a picture.
Not here.
I don't know. She might have. Be hard for her to do, but maybe she'd want to.
Canoe.
You telling the cat to go away?
I like the cat touching things.
She shouldn't. She's mad.
Okay, mad.
You're mad? What about me?
Mad.
Hmm?
What?
I don't know. What's the cat doing? Really?